Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
You begin by verifying your Chromebook is updated and supports Christini. That is the only supported, stable path. Once updated, back up any unsaved work and plug into power to avoid interruptions. Now open Settings, scroll to Developers or Linux Beta, depending on your build, and select Turn On. This launches a guided setup that will allocate disk space and create a container. Follow the on-screen prompts. You will choose username and disk size during initial configuration. Once the container is created, you'll see a terminal app labeled Linux Apps. Open it. You should immediately run apt update and apt upgrade to fetch current packages because the container image can be outdated. Make sure to expand disk allocation in settings if you plan to install large packages. Then install essentials like Build Essential, Git, and your editor so you can compile or edit code. You can also enable file sharing between Chrome OS and Linux in settings to access downloads. To finish, confirm apps appear in the launcher and that file sharing works. Then restart the Linux container or reboot the device to ensure services start cleanly. If installation fails, reset the Linux environment from settings to recreate the container. This erases Linux files, so restore backups first. For deeper troubleshooting, open Crash Ctrl+Alt+T and run vmc or check Chrome //OS settings /OS Linux for error messages. These logs point to permission or VM issues. If you see persistent errors, note messages before seeking help.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.